Did you hear that?
Huh? Oh yeah, fuck me.
Excuse me. You gotta get away from me with this.
What? What? Who?
Just move before I go call the people there.
I know it's annoying, isn't it? Yeah,
You gotta get away.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave
Yeah.
too. It's annoying. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smack it. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, smack it just like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sugar, you want a piece of this? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Faster. Did you guys hear that? No? Oh, okay. No, it wasn't. Well, it wasn't me. I heard the same thing, though. No, I heard the same thing. You're right. Oh yeah. Did you guys hear that? This is a funny book, though. I gotta tell you. What are you working on? Computers. Computers? Yeah. Oh yeah. I hate reading. Sucks. Oh yeah.
What are you working on? Oh, just this math right here. Yeah.
Oh, daddy, fuck me. Oh yeah.
Yeah. What's happening? I don't know. It's weird. Is your phone on?
I'm sure that's you, bro.
It wasn't. Maybe it's that guy.
Is your phone on?
No. Oh, yeah. Dude, do you mind just turning your computer down? It's like really distracting. Yeah, I'm just trying to do my work right now. Excuse me.
Can I fucking help you?
Can you guys just keep it down a little bit? You're being a bit loud.
Can you shut the fuck up and leave me alone?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're just being so loud, aren't they?
Can you actually leave right now? I'm trying to do like some serious work.
Okay, yeah.
This is like really distracting. You're fucking up people's like
Yeah.
actual you're trying to study at the
I
library
know.
here.
I know. I'm trying to study, man. It's like really distracting.
Bro, I was trying to be nice to you at first, but right now it's actually kind of
Mm. No, I know. It's really annoying, dude. I'm like getting cheesed. I'm about to leave too. Hey, buddy. Listen, sorry, I was a complete dick there. I'm filming a prank for YouTube.
actually.
Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry, I was a complete dick there. We're filming a prank for YouTube.
That guy over there?
Yeah.
Thanks for explaining it.
Yeah.